Hello, welcome to my 12th Better Career Report. My name is Isi Menes, and today I want to talk about what I did and what I learned in past week. And talk about Django database management and how we use many databases in our project, and what especially we use. And so let's start. And in past week I did the bug fixing, the refactoring my code, and adding and modifying some features for our project, like manipulating with data, manipulating with credit system in our project. And I can't tell about details, so let's start about Django database management. Django official supports the following databases like PostgreSQL, MariaDB, MySQL, Oracle, SQLite, and etc. In there, SQLite is the default database for Django that's installed with them by default. There are also a number of databases that provides by third parties. Django attempts to support as many features as possible in all database backends. However, not all database backends are alike, and we've had to make design becomes on which features to support and which assumptions we can make safely. And let's talk about what we use in our project. In our project, we use PostgreSQL. That's a great database. I think I working with Postgres many times, and about connections, how we connect the databases with Django in our project and with any other projects, and persistent connections, the many type of connections, persistent connections, and about persistent connection avoid to overhead of re-establishing and the connecting to the database in each request. In project settings you can define the default database and many other database. You can set their name if how you want, and Django works with database and the database requests. We use the ORM. ORM is the many popular type of connection with database that saves us from SQL injection, where you can work not working directly with SQL commands like select, insert. You define the model and define the manager to this model, and works this with these objects of this model, and you can write your ORM functions that will use the SQL commands. That's all about the Django database management. We use the PostgreSQL. We use in our project 2 different databases that connect with each other. So the time ending, and so that's all for today. So goodbye. Thank you for your attention.